Releasing dopamine, dopamine.
You see, all of uno, me go say something, you know, because I don't know how my battery can dead. So, you see, somehow, no, me hear una say, uno na no work, uno na have no food, uno no have no this, uno no have no, uno soon no have no life if uno no listen. Stay on no yard. Stay on no yard, uno soon have no mouth for complain. Uno soon have no breath. Uno na listen. Uno na listen. And it hurt me for when me talk una say, I chew me have money. Then you think the money can save me? Hey. If I true me did have money, me wouldn't sit down in my house, me would have gone out there and say, yeah, me have money, so if me catch the virus, me can take your ride. But you see, true, me know, say them say, if you catch the virus, you can't have it, and it in your feel 14 days, and you don't know, say you have it, so till it start eat out your lungs, and you feel like you can't breathe, and by the time you reach by the ventilator, them tell you, say your lungs crystallize, and you go dead, and my money now can help me. Me, I go stay right here, so.
Hey guys, wagwan. I know that most of you follow me from various parts of the world, and so I hope that you are safe and corona free. So let me just say that before I move on. However, I'm making this video for my people in Jamaica, so pardon me if you don't understand when I get down into it, because it really saddens me when I scroll through my timeline and I see some video. I may wonder to myself if Jamaica really take this coronavirus serious. Sometimes I see the post them and I wonder, because it don't look like we take it serious in Jamaica. It look like we don't really not understand what coronavirus is doing in other parts of the world, how much people are dying, what go on, especially in New York. When you see one man a post, Mr. Cartel post one man in New York, I say 10,000 people dead today, and when the people them go for the body, the way how them sanitize down the man, you know how them take it serious. Me feel say Jamaica now gonna take this serious until people start dropping in front of them like fly. Because look here now, when we go through my timeline, I'm gonna go over tropics and I see him post, let me know if I want a woman. I see them post, people are fight over bread in the supermarket. I see long line in the supermarket. Yes, Portmore, St. Catherine, they're on a total lockdown. You want to tell me say, the way on a bungle up together, we don't realize say that can continue the spread of the coronavirus. Make me know what a reason now. So the call center, somebody was infected, and okay, the prime minister don't know who or whatever. The truth is, most of the people them were probably working at the call center. That no means that them live at St. Catherine. Some of them live at Kingston. Some of them live at different place. But alright, the government locked down Portmore. You want to tell me say, una wait until the lockdown for the whole of una want to buy food for putting on the house? You want to tell me say, Orcharius, Montego Bay, St. Thomas, Mandeville, Maypen, all of the other places them. Una not start buy up food from now and water and putting on the house. And una hear everybody a preach so if you stay at home. Una hear the whole world a preach stay on the yard. Una go wait until something happen, maybe a Mandeville, and the government say, alright, Mandeville they pan lockdown. Una go start fight and and come on, Jamaica. Una come on. Now time for to start. Think and act wise, because you see this. You see what me see I go on right now? If we not stand up strong, and fight together, we are going to fall together. I'm a dead ass serious with the way me see I go on. When I go up on Star page, me see them a post and say people they on rooftop a keep party. Another time feet. Jamaica, when if you take it serious. Remember me name Busybody, you know. Remember me name Busybody. Let me explain something to you now. My natural life, 1 week no pass, I'm in the on plane and I go all about and ray. See my little living room here, you know, say in a chair, I'm sit down for 4 weeks now. I watch TV, I get up and go in the kitchen, I cook for my kids, then I come back. You know, say right, I'm still for 4 weeks now, Jamaica. I'm not moving. You know why? Because I don't want dead. I love myself, I love my kids them. I want to think of that the same just way. Because guess what? You see, if you don't continue to spread the virus, your auntie can't catch it, your mother can't catch it, your sister can't catch it, your niece, your nephew, all it. Come on. Me need uno to act wise at Jamaica right now because me start get scared and panic because guess what? Remember say St. Catherine me come from and that's me born and grow. Me know everybody, not know everybody but yeah, majority of the people them at St. Catherine, I put more my born and grow. And right now it depends on total lockdown but to see everybody come out and act panic and run, me say traffic and try to go Kingston, that is not how we're gonna cure or stop the spread of this coronavirus. We need enough to take it serious because people are dying. Jamaica don't have enough ventilators for everybody. When you hear it out from the government, there's another thing where really affect me. The government are trying best. Me post him other day and me applaud him and me say, you are doing your best, you act swiftly, you know, even the borders are closed. Yes, me not there Jamaica. I'm in Atlanta. The borders are closed. Me can't go back to Jamaica. But what me ever do, me have to give unto Caesar what is due to Caesar. But there's a lot of people that is looking on things through a political lens. And some people are saying, him not do a good job. That one you have something to say. Who are PMP from, who are JLP. Corona now asks what color you pick. The virus now asks you that. It no matter if you're JLP, no matter if you're PNP, it's time for we come together. Come together. Right now, me hear them and say, together we stand. Yeah. But together we all are going to fall if we don't come together and we have to start that something there. Everybody get ignorant. Me see people that jump from rooftop, them a keep party. When you hear say there's a curfew, when police car come and laugh. I'm not running at the scheme. Another time feed, Jamaica. Another time feed. The coronavirus, there's a lot of people who have the virus and them not show symptoms. I want to understand it. I want to read up on it. I want to go up on YouTube itself. I want to Google it. I want to get familiar with it. There's a lot of people who even have the virus and don't show symptoms. So your neighbor can't have it and you don't know. You did know that? The virus lives in your body 14 days themselves before you even start cough. That means that video there when we see with over 400 people at the supermarket bungle up. Mighty God. Come on, man. I don't want to talk too long and they just talk and I preach too no. But I'm using my platform in the best way I can because I know Jamaica have over 3 million people and the amount of people follow me over 2 million people. I don't know what to do more than can just use my platform in the best way I can for talk to them, for telling them, come on, buckle up. Because there's something here, if it spread at Jamaica the real way, we in a problem. Jamaica, we in a problem. So stop panic, stop run up and down. When you think and be wise because coronavirus is a deadly virus and it's serious and I want you to take it serious. I want you to stop laugh, I want you to stop run up and down in a supermarket. And me I plead to everybody where no have no curfew, all of the different parishes where the virus not reach or we don't know yet, kind of detect there yet. No test not there yet, no found whether have you, we don't know. Don't wait until the appointed time to go out and get food supplies. Do it from now. Please, me I beg you no. Jamaica, stay safe. When you know me love you no. Everywhere me go, I go all out for no. Reach out to no. Mingle with you no. Come in at the crowd with you no. But no at the time when me I beg you no. Please. Me love you no and I want you to stay safe. So just listen. Stay home. You know hard. If me can do it, you can do it too. Alright Jamaica. Mad love.
Releasing dopamine.